Hi children, today we are going to learn about location, right? Here you can see that here we have to join the left with left and right with right. What does that mean? Let me give you an example first and then we would do the remaining tasks. As you can see that this arrowhead is towards the right, right? This arrowhead is towards the right. So we have to find out the object that is facing towards the right. So let's see that this arrowhead is matched with what kind of object. Here you can see that this is a snake and the snake face is also towards the right. That is why this arrowhead is matched with the snake since both of them are facing towards the right, right? So now we would start doing with this task with the remaining objects. So let's start with the right side and see what is the object that is on top of it. Here you can see that here we have this aeroplane and this aeroplane is also facing towards the right. You can see very clearly that this aeroplane is facing towards the right. So that means we have to match it with the arrowhead that is facing towards the right. So let's start looking for the arrowhead which is facing towards the right on the left side. This arrowhead is facing towards the right, but this arrowhead is already matched with the snake that is also facing towards the right. So that means we cannot consider this arrowhead. So now let's move towards another arrowhead. Now this arrowhead is towards the left. You can see very clearly this arrowhead is towards the left. That means we cannot match it with the aeroplane. So we would skip this arrowhead and move towards another arrowhead. Now, here you can see that this arrowhead is towards the right, isn't it? So that means we can match this arrowhead with the aeroplane since both of them are facing towards the right. So let's start matching it. We would start with the aeroplane and we would keep stretching the line till we reach the arrowhead that is facing towards the right. So we are done with our first object and see how we have to match it with the arrowhead, whether it's facing towards the right or towards the left. Here we can see that here we have very cute honeybee and this honeybee is facing towards the left, right? Towards the left. That means the arrowhead should also be towards the left so that we can match these two together. So let's start from the left side and see where we have arrowhead that is facing towards the left. Okay, is this arrowhead facing towards the right or towards the left? This arrowhead is facing towards the right, not towards the left. So we cannot consider this one. Let's move towards another arrowhead. This arrowhead is facing towards the left. That means we can match this arrowhead with this honeybee. So let's start doing it. Start from this point and keep stretching the line towards the honeybee. So we are done with the two objects. Now we would move towards the third object. Here we have this cute dolphin, right, which is facing towards the left. Exactly, which is facing towards the left. That means we have to find out an arrowhead that is facing towards the left. So let's start from the left side. Okay, this arrowhead is already matched, so we don't have to bother it. This arrowhead is also matched, although it's towards the left, but it is matched with the honeybee. This arrowhead is also already matched and it is towards the right. Now let's move towards another arrowhead and see we can find the arrowhead facing towards the left or not. Okay, here we have another arrowhead and this is facing towards the left. That means we can match this arrowhead with this dolphin, right? So we would stretch the line from the dolphin and then we would keep moving till we reach the arrowhead that is facing towards the left, right? Now let's move towards another object. Here we have a rooster and this rooster is also facing towards the left. That means we have to find out an arrowhead that is facing towards the left, right? So let's start from the top. Okay, so this arrowhead is facing towards the right and also already matched. So this is not the right answer. This arrowhead is facing towards the left, but it is already matched with the honeybee. This arrowhead is facing towards the right, so this is not the correct answer. This arrowhead is facing towards the left, which is the right answer, but this is already matched with the dolphin. Okay, so this arrowhead is facing towards the left and also it is not matched with any other object. That means we can consider matching this arrowhead which is facing towards the left with this rooster. So start from the rooster and stretch the line till you reach this arrowhead. Congratulations, kiddos. We are done with our today's task. So here what you need is the clear observation. You just have to look at the objects and then you have to see that whether these objects are facing towards the right or towards the left. Once you realize that this object is facing towards the right, for example, then you have to find out an arrowhead that is also facing towards the right, and then you would match that particular arrowhead with the particular object. I hope that makes sense to you all. Thank you so much.